Study these values and rich in people. Let us pledge to nurture our thoughts and action with integrity. A very good morning and Jai Shri Krishna to one and all present here. Today is not just a festival, it's a celebration of love, playfulness and divinity. Yes, indeed. Janmashtami marks the divine birth of Lord Krishna and mischievous Makhan children of Gokul, the charming flutes of Vrindavan and vision of greater Kurukshetra. He was born in the darkness of night and yet got the light in the world. Today let's begin our celebration by lighting the ceremonial lamp, a symbol of wisdom, positivity and purity. Yes, so we invite our guest of honor and our respected principal sir to grace the stage for the lamp light ceremony.
Before we move ahead, let us take a moment to learn more about the remarkable journey of our esteemed guest of honor. Sir, Mr. Arvind Sir, alumnus of the 1998 batch of Birla Public School, Pilani, is the name attached in the hearts of those who knew him as a captain of basketball team, a leader on and off the court. His early years were marked by discipline, teamwork, and a relentless pursuit of excellence, qualities, and that have continued to define his journey. Today, Mr. Arvind Sir stands tall as the visionary behind Honor Nature Food Agri, a mission-driven enterprise that champions sustainable agriculture, ethical food sourcing, and a deep reverence for the nature. His work bridges tradition and innovation, echoing the spirit of Janmashtami, where reverence for the earth and its bounty is central to our celebration. So let's welcome Sir with heartfelt gratitude and admiration. Have a huge round of applause for Sir. Huge round of applause by presenting a beautiful bouquet. Thank you, sir. Thank you, dear kiddos.
Dear audience, get ready to feel the rhythm of devotion and the energy of celebration. Dance is the hidden language of the soul, and today our children will speak the language of Krishna through every joyful step. So let's welcome a beautiful dance that class FKG on Krishna has. Carnatic dance by our little stars of class standing A, set to electrifying beats of Govinda Allare. This performance is a tribute to the playful spirit of Lord Krishna. Let's spring alive with the joy into Krishna's birth. Presenting the then modes of dance performance by the students of class 7A, a high energy exporting the birth and early year of Lord Krishna.
जब जब होता नाश धर्म का और पाप बढ़ जाता है, तब लेते अवतार प्रभु और विश्व शांति पाता है। आगे की श्रृंखला कृष्ण जन्म से शुरू होती है।
Today I am going to speak about Lord Krishna. At the very special midnight, more than 5,000 years ago, the city of Mathura was in a great fear because of the cruel king Kans had locked his own sister Devaki and her husband Vasudeva in the prison. Why? Because it was foretold that Devaki's ill child would be his destroyer. And then, on the dark and a stormy night of Ashtami, Krishna was born, a very tiny baby with a divine smile. The prison doors opened by magic. The guards fell asleep, and Vasudeva carried Krishna across the Yamuna river to Gokul, where he grew up playing the flute, stealing the butter, and filling hearts with joy. Today, on Janmashtami, we celebrate not just his birth, but his message to the world. To stand for truth, protect the innocence, and spread love and happiness everywhere. So let's remember Krishna's word, do your duty without fear. And of course, never say no to a pot of butter. Vasudeva Sutam Devam Kansa Chanuramardanam Devaki Paramanandam Kansa Krishnam Bande Jagataguram. Meaning, I bow to Lord Krishna, the son of Vasudeva, the joy of Devaki, and the destroyer of Kans and Chanura, and the teacher of the world. Thank you, Jai Shri Krishna.
Followers that prepare to be mesmerized as another student brings Krishna's teachings to the light through English poetry inspired by the Bhagavad Gita and Divine Leelas.
With glee, the naughty lord of mystery and
but his heart was so kind and true. But he showed us truth in every way. He made the world. He showed us truth in every way. On Kurukshetra's battle day. Do your duty, do not fear fate. Love and kind will make you great. Thank you.
The innocence of childhood draped in colors of tradition. Coming up next are adorable children whose classes 3 to 4 grace the stage in vibrant traditional attire, celebrating the timeless charm of Indian culture in a captivating dance folk. Let's cheer them with joy.
माननीय शिक्षकगण और मेरे प्यारे साथी, आप सभी को श्री कृष्ण जन्माष्टमी की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। आज का दिन केवल भगवान के जन्म का नहीं, बल्कि सत्य, धर्म और प्रेम के उत्सव का दिन है। कहते हैं जब जब इस धरती पर पाप बढ़ता है तब तक कोई कृष्ण जन्म लेता है। भगवान श्री कृष्ण का जन्म मथुरा की जेल में हुआ था, जहाँ चारों ओर अंधकार था, भय था और असत्य का राज था। लेकिन जैसे ही श्री कृष्ण ने जन्म लिया, कारागार के ताले अपने आप खुल गए और अंधकार में भी दिव्य प्रकाश की रोशनी फैल गई। यह हमें सिखाता है कि सच्चाई के जितने भी कैद में हैं, एक दिन वह अंधकार को चीरकर जरूर बाहर आते। श्री कृष्ण केवल माखन चोर नहीं थे, वे प्रेम चोर भी थे। उन्होंने केवल माखन ही नहीं, परंतु राधा के साथ निर्मल प्रेम, माँ यशोदा से ममता और अर्जुन के साथ मित्रता का अनुपम उदाहरण भी दिया। गीता में उन्होंने बताया कि जब मन बहुत डगमगाए तब श्री कृष्ण याद आए। उन्होंने सिखाया कि जीवन एक रणभूमि है और हम सब अर्जुन हैं। बस जरूरत है सिर्फ श्री कृष्ण की, जो हमारे साथी बनकर हमें सही राह दे। साथ ही आज जन्माष्टमी है, तो हम केवल झूले झुलाएं, पोशाक पहने, मटकी फोड़ें, इतना काफी नहीं। हमें श्री कृष्ण के विचारों को भी अपनाना होगा। हर परिस्थिति में धैर्य रखना, धर्म के मार्ग पर चलना और खुशी, प्रेम व क्षमा से संसार को जीना। कृष्ण वही है जो खुद भी मुस्कुराते हैं और दूसरों को भी हंसना सिखाते हैं। कृष्ण वही है जो रथ का साथी बनकर भी हमारे जीवन की दिशा बदल देते हैं। अंत में बस इतना कहूँगी, कृष्ण हर युग में जन्म नहीं लेते, परंतु उनके विचार हर दिल में जन्म ले सकते हैं। बस जरूरत है तो उन्हें समझने और अपनाने की। हमें निस्वार्थ भाव से अपने कर्तव्यों को पूरा करते हुए जीवन में आगे बढ़ते रहना चाहिए। जय श्री कृष्णा, राधे राधे, धन्यवाद।
ओम कृष्णाय वासुदेवाय हरे परमात्मने प्रणतः। सुप्रभात प्रधानाचार्य महोदय, शिक्षकगण और मेरे प्रिय साथी, जैसा कि आज हम कृष्ण जन्माष्टमी के इस पावन अवसर पर एकत्रित हुए हैं, इसी उपलक्ष्य में मैं कविता प्रस्तुत करना चाहूँगी। नटखट नंद लाला आया, बजाकर बंसी प्यारी, मुरली के सुल्तान ने दुनिया सजी हमारी। जन्मे कारा की रातों में दीप बने अंधियारा में, लेकर गीता का ज्ञान दिया धर्म के उजियारे में। सिर पर मोर मुकुट है सजता, आंखों में है चंचलता, नटवर नागर नाद रचाए, जीवन में वर्ध चले। कालिया नाग कहत डाला, गोवर्धन को भी उठाया, माखन चोरी करते करते प्रेम का पाठ पढ़ाया। राधा के मन के कहना सबके मन को भाए, कभी ग्वाला तो कभी राजकुमार, हर रूप में नया। हर युग में आए कृष्ण बनकर, जब भी बड़े अंधेरा, सत्य प्रेम और धर्म के खातिर थामा उन्होंने किया। धन्यवाद। जय श्री कृष्ण। Now, it's my honor to call upon to our guest of honor, Mr. Arvind Budara sir, to share a few words of wisdom with us. Sir, your presence today is truly inspiring and we eagerly await your thoughts.
Namaskar and good morning everyone. First of all, I'd like to thank you for inviting me, especially Principal Sir, Villa Public School, Sri Ganganagar, and the team members, staff members of Villa Public School and lovely children. मेरी तरफ से आपको सभी को श्री कृष्ण जन्माष्टमी की ढेरों ढेरों शुभकामनाएं। श्री कृष्ण जन्माष्टमी 16 को सैटरडे को है, लेकिन आज हम प्री सेलिब्रेशंस आर ऑन, तो मेरी तरफ से सभी को शुभकामनाएं। आपके लिए लॉन्ग वीकेंड है ये, और इसमें आप पॉजिटिविटी के साथ, इंजॉयमेंट के साथ इसको फ्रूटफुल बनाएं, यही मैं आपको शुभकामनाएं देता हूँ। श्री कृष्ण जन्माष्टमी पे बहुत कुछ सीखा जा सकता है। सबसे बढ़िया आप लोगों ने इतना कलरफुल और चेयरफुल इवेंट किया। उसी से पता चलता है कि श्री कृष्ण हमारी लाइफ में, सभी की लाइफ में कितना खुशियाँ, चेयरफुलनेस लेके आए हैं। इसी के साथ साथ मित्रता, कृष्ण सुदामा के बारे में आपने बहुत सारी कहानियाँ सुनी होगी और मैं सभी से रिक्वेस्ट करूँगा कि आप सभी लोग इस वीकेंड पे श्री कृष्ण के जो इंस्पिरेशंस हैं उनको जरूर देख पाएँ, समझ पाएँ और स्टडी कर पाएँ, तो आपको बहुत ही इसका बेनिफिट मिलेगा। इसी के साथ साथ श्री कृष्ण जन्माष्टमी पे ये भी बोलना चाहूँगा कि आजकल हम सब लोग छोटी बड़ी बातों के लिए एक दूसरे से गुस्सा हो जाते हैं, बच्चे आपस में छोटी बात पे झगड़ा करते हैं, लेकिन कृष्ण जी ऐसे देवता हैं, भगवान हैं, जिनको माखन चोर भी बोलते हैं तो भी वो गुस्सा नहीं करते किसी से। तो आपने भी गुस्सा नहीं करना है और सबसे एक थॉटफुलनेस के साथ और सबसे दोस्ती रखनी है और एक टीम बना के आगे बढ़ना है। आई विश द एंटायर स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ बिरला पब्लिक स्कूल श्री गंगानगर ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट फॉर देयर फ्यूचर एंडेवर्स। गॉड ब्लेस यू ऑल। जय श्री कृष्ण।
Nanda ki Lala ki Leela from the Nitya. Now be ready to entertain it by the vibrating Krishna Leela dance performed by the talented students of class 5B. Watch the tale of love, mischief and miracle come alive through rhythm and breeze. Let's cheer them as they bring the playful spirit of Makhan Chor to life. with round of applause our honorable principal sir.
जय कृष्णा, जय राधे, राधे राधे. I was very much my heart was wobbling when I was watching the children, especially this Krishna, mounting almost at the zenith of Everest, and I was scared if he falls down. So this is truly said that God embodies that soul, that virtue, that special quality the child able to possess during that time. I think God was inside him, isn't it? And that is why sometimes the people who are in the role, they really feel like that they are next to the God and goddesses. And that is the aura when we are in the role of that God, no, that Krishna comes with it. That's why even the guest of honor of today has clearly underlined one thing. That being a chore, he was called a very positive chore. The chore, the moment we hear this word chore, it is assumed as a very negative way of terming somebody. But look, we say Makhan chore. And still the affection, the respect, what we have for him, that is still relevant from years, from centuries and from there. So at this moment, though we were waiting for the chief guest to arrive, I think for some reasons he is not able to join today's occasion. But I must tell all my dear children that since we are celebrating this Janmashtami 2 days before, the reason is very clear, quite familiar, quite known to every one of us, that it is on 16. If I say suppose, imagine that Krishna ji might have taken a birth on Navami. Right? It could have been called as, did we ever try to know why it is called Janmashtami? It means he must, yes. Can you tell me then which particular day we have today then? Suppose on Ashtami will be on 16. Then what day we will be having today as per the Hindi calendar? Shashti. Shashtami, Shashti. Right. Yes, and that is what we are following. I think in your almanac, in your classes also at the top of the green board, we never fail to give this message that as per the Hindi calendar where we are. So I just want to quote one phrase from Krishna's life, that you have the right to perform your duties but never to the fruits of your actions. Let not the fruits of action be your motive, not let your attachment be to inaction. For the protection of the good, the destruction of the wicked, and for the establishment of righteousness, I am born in every age. So 2 short and easy shlokas for you people. I bow to Lord Krishna, the son of Vasudeva, destroyer of Kansa, and Chanura. Do you know Chanura? Kansa we all know, but Chanura? None of you know this Chanura? The joy of Devi, you know? Tatiya, yes. Chanuka. Real mother of, he is saying the real mother of Krishna ji is called Chanuka. Can you tell me who is the real mother of Krishna ji? Devaki Nandan. We say Devaki Nandan. Right? Okay. So, I bow to Lord Krishna, the son of Vasudeva, destroyer of Kansa and Chanura, the joy of Devaki and the teacher of the world. I bow to Govinda, beloved to the gopis, protector of cows, Lord of the universe and the supreme refuge of all. May this Janmashtami inspire us to fill our lives with love, truth and selfless service, just as Lord Krishna taught to us. Right? So with this note, let us bring our Krishna alive within us. Let us bring the Radhe reside in us in the true spirit. And let us enjoy the life as Krishna used to be. Don't you get a very clear and very practical lesson that how the the actual life has been enjoyed by Lord Krishna, playing all the time. Sometimes the ball falls in that ocean, there also he creates a scene. When he goes with the flute, there also something happens. So isn't it a great lesson that how Sir was pointing it out that the children who were performing on the stage, most of them are having the specs. Did you ever see Krishna wearing his specs? Why? Because at that time, because during the time of Krishna, what was not there? So if you really want to get rid of this, please act like a Krishna. Play with your sakhas. Do you have sakhas with you? Do you understand that? And do you have sakhis also with you? No. Sakhi means the girls. No means what? Krishna ji was having a lot of sakhis. And this is, I was watching few of the children that once a line of girls were there, they were keeping 1 inch extra there. Who is this? Start. Okay. So at this note, I really pay my utmost gratitude to Sir for coming and gracing this occasion. I also pay my special words of thanks to the teachers, to Nisha ma'am, to the coordinator, Bhimakshi ma'am, and everybody who has contributed in making this day a successful day. And I'm sure that my pen has really gone very nicely on the paper I have been given. We will be talking to you later on regarding that. So thank you, sir, for coming here, and please love you all children.
As we come to the close of this divine celebration, it's time to express our gratitude. A sincere thank you to our principal, teachers, and staff for their support and blessings. To all the performers, speakers, dancers, and volunteers, your dedication makes this event truly magical. To our audience, thank you for your energy, your applause, and your presence. May Krishna's truth continue to play in our hearts, guiding us with love, wisdom, and joy. Thank you, Jai Shri Krishna.